Hello students, I am Deepak Mondal here. Welcome to my channel DM's Tutorial. I am going to discuss on percentage today and the various problems on percentage and how the percentage can be derived from fraction and decimals and vice versa. So students, I request you to keep a close look at my video and try to understand all the things, and if necessary please keep comment in your comment box. I will always request you to subscribe my channel, and if the video you feel it is necessary for you, then please like the video. Thank you students. Let's start the class. Now we start the percentage. First of all, we will discuss what the percentage means. The symbol is like that. This is called the percentage symbol. Percent. Percent. The word is percent. What does it mean? Cent. Cent. This word comes from the word century. What is the meaning of century? I think you all know that the century means 100. Percentage means per 100. Per 100. That means some quantity out of 100. That is called percent. I am writing here 20%. What does it mean? It means 20 out of 100. That is 20 per cent per century. 20 per a century, that is 20 by 100, 20 out of 100. 20 quantity out of 100 equal distributed quantity, that is called 20%. If you convert the percent into the fraction, it seems like this: 20 by 100. Out of 100 we are choosing 20, that is called 20%. In the word percent, all the meaning of it is here. That is, per 100 20 quantities are taken, that is called 20%. So if you realize the word what the percent means, then this is all clear to you. Percent means out of 100 quantities, out of 100 equally distributed quantities, you are choosing some quantity from 100. That is the percentage. That is the percent. Here 20% means 20 out of 100. I am writing here a fraction 2 by 5. What does it mean? This means 2 out of 5. That means there is equally characterized 5 substance, 5 equally characterized particles, and from those I am picking up 2 particles. Here students, you look, numerator is 2 and denominator is 5. That means 2 out of 5. It is to be converted like that. How many quantity out of 100? So we have to convert this fraction into its equivalent fractions, in which the denominator is 100. Then only we can find out the percentage of this fraction. So what should I do here? I will convert 5 into 100. So 5 will be multiplied by 20. As soon as 5 is multiplied by 20, I have to multiply the numerator, that is 2 by 20. So it becomes 40 by 100. 2 by 5 means 40 by 100. Now we can easily find out the percentage value, that is 40 out of 100. So by definition we can tell it 40%. 40 per century, that is 40%. I think this is clear to you how the fractions, any fractions can be converted into the percentage value. Here is another fraction, 2 by 25. I will convert this into percentage. So 25 is multiplied by 4 and 2 also multiplied by 4. That is 8 out of 100. So it can be called 8%. Clear? Out of 100, 8 number is taken. So this is 8%. You can convert a fraction directly into the percentage by multiplying this fraction by 100. We will get the same value. Other than converting the denominator into the 100, we will multiply the fraction directly by 100 and we will get the same value of percentage. Okay students, this is the method by which any kind of fractions that can be proper or improper fraction converted to percentage. Suppose you are given a decimal value, a decimal number, and it is to be converted into percentage. I am taking a number, for example 2.5. Now convert this into the percentage. First of all, I will convert it into a fraction. It should be written as 25 by 10. Okay. Now convert this fraction into percentage. What can I do? Multiply the fraction by 100. So 2.5 means 250%. Okay, this is also more than 100% or more than the whole thing. Now we will discuss something reverse. Percentage to fraction or percentage to decimal. You are given a percent, suppose 25%. You are said to be convert this percent value into fraction. What should you do? From definition, we can say 25% means 25 per century or 25 by 100. 25 out of 100. 25% means 25 out of 100. Look, this is transferred into a fraction. We can simplify this by directly divide 100 by 25, that is 4. Simplified fraction is 1 by 4. So 25% converted into the fraction, a proper fraction, 1 by 4. This is the method by which we can convert any percent to a fraction. I am taking another example. 22.5%. This is to be converted into fraction. Let's look. 22.5 by 100. Here is the decimal point. We have to remove the decimal by multiplying 10 to both numerator and denominator. That means 225 divided by 1000. Simplify this fraction, it will be converted into the smaller fraction. We will divide both numerator and denominator by 25 here. So 9 by 40. This is the specified fraction. 22.5% means 9 by 40. I am taking another example. 6.5%. Convert this into fraction. How can I convert this? From definition, we can write it like that. 6.5 out of 100. That means 6.5%. 6.5 out of 100. So 13 by 2 out of 100. That means 13 by 2 into 1 by 100. This becomes 13 by 200. See here, 13 and 200 are prime to each other. So this is the answer. We cannot simplify this anymore. So this is the answer, 13 by 200. 6.5% means 13 by 200. So students, we have already discussed how any fractions or decimal can be converted into the fraction, and any kind of fraction can be converted into the decimal or fractions. So I will request you, if you have any questions regarding this matter, please let me know through the comment box, and look at the video all through the class taking here carefully, and try to understand all the words I have said. I am taking a last example here for your better understanding. Look at the process. I am solving it. I am taking an example. Suppose a shopkeeper increased the value of a product by 10% of its printed price. Then decrease the value of that changed price by 8%. That means the shopkeeper giving the 8% discount to the customer on the changed price. So what is the profit or loss? What percent of profit or loss the shopkeeper is gaining? So what's the problem? Shopkeeper increase the marked price by 10%. First of all, shopkeeper increase the marked price by 10% in first step. Second step, what is doing? He is giving discount of 8% on changed price. So ultimately, what percent of money he is making his profit? We are going to solve this problem. Look at it carefully. Suppose the cost price of that matter is equal to 100. Cost price of that matter is equal to rupees 100, say. After increasing the value by 10%, this cannot be, this is marked price. Marked price of the value of the matter is rupees 100. Changed price. Rupees 100, this was the primary printed price or marked price, increased by 10% of it. So the changed price is rupees 110. This is the new selling price or new printed price on the material. So primarily the material was printed rupees 100. The shopkeeper increased that printed price by 10% and this becomes rupees 1110 finally. Now what shopkeeper does? Shopkeeper now decrease the value or giving discount of 8% on this price to the customers. Rupees 110 minus 8% of rupees 110. That means 110 multiplied by 8 by 100. It equals to 110 minus 88 by 10. That is 110 minus 8.8. What's the ultimate result? 101.2, 101.2 rupees. This is the ultimate selling price by the shopkeeper. He is selling the goods in that price. So what is the profit amount? Profit amount is how much this is increased from rupees 100. That is the primarily marked price. So the profit equals to rupees 101.2 minus 100, that is 1.2. This is the profit amount out of 100. We are going to find the profit percentage from here. So what is the profit percentage? Profit percentage is equal to profit amount by the primary amount, that is rupees 100. This is the profit percentage. We can find out the percentage from here. Out of 100, 1.2. That means easily we can say 1.2%, or otherwise we can multiply the fraction by 100. 100 cancel, that is 1.2%. That is the profit percentage the shopkeeper gains. This is the process by which we can derive any kind of percentage related queries from any kind of given problem. Whatever I discussed today throughout the session, it is clear to you what the percentage means, how the fractions or decimal can be changed into percentage, and the percentage can be changed into the fractions and decimals as well. And there is various real life problems that can be solved by the method of percentage. I am taking here a instance, an example from book, and try to discuss the matter to you. If there is any question arise in your mind, I will always request you to make a comment in my comment box, and if there is any suggestion from your end, I am always ready to accept your suggestion and try to modify my session by the coming days. I will always request you student, please keep the close look always on my video and subscribe my channel. That will help me to reach you in the regular time of interval with the new kind of videos on various mathematical problems. Thank you students. Stay blessed and healthy. Goodbye.